Guys, if you're building AI apps right now, there's a high chance you're wasting a huge amount of money on LLM API calls without even realizing it. And the crazy part, the fix can literally take just a few minutes. So today, we're talking about a platform called OrcaRouter, an AI routing platform that can automatically reduce your API costs by routing requests to the most efficient model in real time. I tested this platform myself, explored the dashboard, checked the pricing, and even tried pushing it with different requests just to see how reliable it actually is. And by the end of this video, you'll know what OrcaRouter actually does, how it works, why developers are talking about it, and whether it's worth using for your own AI projects. So make sure to watch till the end. Now let's understand the actual problem first. Most AI developers follow a very simple workflow. They pick a powerful model like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini, hard-code it into the app, and launch. At first, everything works perfectly. But as traffic increases, API costs start growing insanely fast. And the reason is simple. Most apps send every single request to expensive premium models, even for tasks that don't actually need that level of intelligence. Things like sentiment analysis, summarizing short text, support ticket classification, or basic chatbot replies. All of these can often run on much cheaper models with almost identical results. And this is exactly where OrcaRouter comes in. So guys, here is the platform, OrcaRouter official website. Their concept is actually very interesting. One API, every model, zero middleman markup. Basically, instead of manually deciding which AI provider to use every time, OrcaRouter automatically routes your request to the best and cheapest available provider in real time. And according to them, they support 200 plus AI models across 10 plus providers with less than 1 millisecond routing overhead and up to 40% average cost reduction, which is honestly pretty impressive. Another thing I liked is that they focus heavily on transparency. They claim there's zero markup added on token pricing. That means you pay provider-level pricing directly, while their business model is based mainly on optional team plans instead of hidden token fees. Now let's talk about how this actually works. The setup process is extremely simple. Step 1. You point your SDK to OrcaRouter by changing the base URL and API configuration. That's it. No major code rewrite needed. Step 2. Every request is analyzed in real time. The system checks provider health, pricing, availability, and response performance. Then it automatically selects the cheapest and best performing backend model available at that moment. And step 3. Traffic is routed directly to providers while keeping the costs optimized automatically. Here, you get access to the best available rates across every model, along with smart quality-based routing so you can choose the right model based on performance and size. It also provides production-grade infrastructure from day one, including automated routing, failover, API key management, budget enforcement, and everything you need to run AI in production without managing multiple provider integrations. Now let's explore the dashboard because honestly, this is where things get really interesting. Inside the model section, you can see a massive list of available models. They support models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, DeepSeek, and many more providers. You can filter models by pricing, image generation support, tool support, newest releases, or low to high pricing. Everything is organized really cleanly. And if you're someone who likes optimizing AI workflows, this dashboard is actually very useful. One feature I personally found cool is the custom router creation. You can literally build your own routing logic. For example, prioritize cheaper models, prioritize quality, prioritize speed, or mix multiple providers together. That gives developers much more flexibility compared to traditional single model setups. Then there's the API key management section. You can generate your own API keys, set expiration dates, manage projects, and track usage directly from the dashboard, which makes the platform feel much more production ready. Another important feature is their routing transparency system. They provide provider attribution, routing decisions, request tracking, and cost visibility. So instead of the routing being a black box, you can actually understand what's happening behind the scenes. And honestly, that's something many AI platforms still don't provide properly. Now let's talk pricing. They offer free access to get started, which is great if you just want to test things out. And for teams or advanced usage, they also have paid plans starting around $29 per month. Compared to traditional AI API spending, that can actually save a lot of money if your app handles large traffic, especially for startups, indie developers, or AI SaaS products. So overall, OrcaRouter feels less like just another AI wrapper and more like infrastructure for optimizing AI applications at scale. If you're building anything with LLMs right now, this is definitely a platform worth checking out. You can explore it yourself, Test the routing system and compare the pricing with your current setup. And honestly, even a small reduction in API cost can make a huge difference over time. So yeah, guys, that was the video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out OrcaRouter and explore all the features yourself. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.